You're so mean. Why are you attacking him with your wood, Jay? Oh, okay, baby. Come on, baby. It's just 2 balls. Come on. Nice, Courtney. Nice.
I got front row seat.
Woo! I would, but I'm afraid they'd get me wet.
Yeah. It's a wood
Sadly, I think Jace is winning this, Big Mama. What? Okay, I guess not. That's Big Mama. Where's the other 2 girls? Where are the other 2? Oh, okay. Oh, so they didn't want hamburgers? They didn't want hamburgers? Hey, random wood. Oh, Kyle. Come on. It's okay, babe. Are you trying to attack me? Okay. Ah! Where's the wood? There it is. Okay. Come here, Wood. Come here. What is he? Oh, he's getting the rings. Here. Ready, ready. Fire! Boing. Are you guys done fighting now?